Good morning. Myself, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Srivastav, Associate Professor Soil Science, PG Department of Agriculture, Khalsa College, Patiala. Today, we will discuss about soils of India. This course offered in BSc Agriculture Honours first semester, Fundamental of Soil Science. Classification of soils. Soil was classified into two groups. Urvarous means fertile soil. Usra means infertile soil. It means based on fertility. Now again change the classification by USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, has divided into three groups: insectisol, antisol and alfisols. Sometime after, again ICAR classified the soil based on color, composition, characteristic of soil, location, etc. ICAR divided 8th group of soil like forest soil, alluvial soil, desert soil, black soil, laterite soil, saline soil, yellow soil and peaty soil. These 8 groups of soil discuss about one by one in detail. Types of soil. There are 8 major types of soil according to ICAR New Delhi. First is alluvial soils, second is black soils, third is red soils, fourth is laterite soils, fifth is desert soil. Now sixth is mountain soil, seventh is saline and alkaline soil, eighth is peaty and marshy soil. We want to map showing the major regions of soil in India like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala, Tamil Nadu. These different regions having different type of soil. Now also we can show on the India map like major soil types in India: forest and mountain soil, tarai soil, medium black soil, desert soil, mixed red and black soil, deep black soil, peaty and marshy soil, etc. Now first type of soil, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil, it formed by deposition of alluvium by river. It occupy 15 lakh square kilometer area in India. It contribute greatly in agriculture development. Is spread over the entire northern plains. According to age, alluvial soil can be classified in two groups: old alluvial called is Bhangar, this is Bhangar, and new alluvial called is Khadar. So there are two division in alluvial soil. This soil under antisol, insectisol and alfisol order. Areas Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, parts of Odisha, delta region of South India. Second type of soil is black soil, also known as rigor or black cotton soil, dark grey to black in color. This soil under vertisol, inceptisol and antisol order. High clay content, highly moist retentive, develop cracks in summer, covers area in India 5.4 lakh square kilometer, highly suitable for cotton production, rich in iron, lime, calcium, magnesium, carbonate and alumina in this soil. Area covered in maximum area in Maharashtra, MP, some part of AP, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, some part of Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Third type of soil is red soil, formed due to weathering of old crystalline rocks, more sandy and less clay soil, rich in iron, small amount of humus, poor in phosphorus, nitrogen and lime, slightly acidic and do not retain moisture. Area 3.5 lakh square kilometer in India. Porous and fibrous. This soil under alpisol, inceptisol and altisol order. Area Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, northeastern Andhra Pradesh, AP, MP and Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Fourth type of soil, laterite soil. Latin word meaning brick, formed under high temperature and rainfall with wet and dry spell. Silica is leached due to high rainfall. Remnant of iron and aluminum oxide left behind is known as laterite. Become hard when exposed to atmosphere. Used as a building material like a bricks making. This soil under alpisol, altisol and oxisol order. Area Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, hilly area of Odisha and Assam. This is laterite soil. Now fifth is type of soil is desert soil. Contains soluble salts, originated by mechanically, porous and coarse, 90% sand, rich in nitrate and phosphate, poor in nitrogen and humus, friable, sandy, low moist content in this soil. Area covered in India 1.4 lakh square kilometer. This under antisol and aridisol order. Area arid and semi-arid region of Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat. This is desert area in Rajasthan. Sixth type of soil is mountain soil, found in hill slopes, formed by deposition of organic matter from forest, rich in humus because it's natural soil, poor in potash and lime. This soil under histosol order because it's near to nature history. Area Assam, Kashmir, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, UK and Arunachal Pradesh. Seventh type of soil is saline and alkaline soil. Contains salts like sodium, magnesium and calcium. infertile, unfit for cultivation, sandy to loamy in texture. This soil under aridisol order. Some difference we want to discuss in saline and alkaline soil. This soil having mostly three types. First is saline, second is alkaline oblique sodic, third is alkali saline, means third type of soil having both characteristic in soil. So difference is saline soil having EC electrical conductivity more than 4, ESP exchangeable sodium percentage less than 15, pH potential of hydrogen ion less than 8.5, known as saline. Next is alkaline soil oblique sodic, EC less than 4, ESP more than 15, pH more than 8.5 to 10, known as alkali or sodic soil. Now alkali saline having EC more than 4, ESP more than 15, pH more than 8.5. The source of IIISSS. Area is UP, Gujarat, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Punjab, Maharashtra and Haryana. Last is 8 type of soil is PT and Mersey soil. Occur in humid region, found by accumulation of organic matter, black in color, highly acidic and heavy soil. This soil under mollisol order. Area covered is Kottayam and Alleppey in Kerala, coastal Odisha, Sundarbans of West Bengal. Area covered by PT and Mersey soil. Now also we want to discuss about wonder of soil in India, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh state having wonderful availability or maximum soil types availability. It means 5 type of soil available in Chhattisgarh. First is red yellow soil, second is laterite soil, third is red sandy soil, fourth is black soil, fifth is red loamy soil, known as wonder of soil in India. Now we want to discuss about also especially in soils of Punjab. The soil of central Punjab ranges from sandy loam to clay with pH value from 7.5 to 8.5, making slightly alkalinity and salinity problematic for this place. Some problems only 8.5 is minute alkali or salinity saline soils, but pH 8.5 not 9. The allowable soil of this zone can be widely described as a arid and brown soil or tropical arid brown soil. The soil in eastern Punjab is loamy to clay soil. So I think Punjab having its maximum area is arable land, good quality land in Punjab. Thank you so much. If any doubts, any questions, you can put in comments box.